Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a really nice weekend seal video, and this is going to be for all of my solid colors, kind of like the way I did my glitter mixes, but this one is for a total of 80 colors, 80 bags. You're going to get a mix of iridescent, metallic, holographic, extra fine, and chunky. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here more or less what you're going to get. This is the teaspoon set. And again, you're going to get a total of 80 bags. It's going to be a beautiful selection of almost a ton of colors that I carry. So I'm going to make sure you get a total of 80. Everyone's bag is going to be different because I have just so many colors. So everyone's bag is going to be different, but this is pretty much what you're going to get. I'll be sure you get holographic, iridescent, extra fine, chunky, metallics, and all that sorts, okay? And then I'm also offering it in full ounce bags. So you'll get 80 bigger bags like this. And for the big bag, you'll get a total of 80 colors, and I'm doing that one for $65 shipped. And then the smaller teaspoon bag, that is a total of 80 bags, you're getting that one for $30 shipped. Okay? Questions, comments, you can leave them below, and I'll leave my email in the description box. That is how you can get a hold of me to request any of these bundles. Again, these are going to be all solid colors, no glitter mixes here. So you can make your own mixes, your own acrylics. And the bigger bags are great for you crafters that want to do or need a little bit more. Okay, that is it, guys. Here is your 1 ounce bundle, 80 of them, or you can choose the teaspoon one. Okay, until next time, guys, have a wonderful and safe weekend and a wonderful Mother's Day as well. Until next time, bye.